Here are a selection of handsome Flights of Fancy lads assembling a protection pen for you. Slightly speeded up so your coffee doesn't go cold. The panel D door has its panel C frames attached. It's important when building your protection pen to make sure that all the panels line up correctly and as closely as possible, otherwise errors creep in and you end up with a badly fitting protection pen. Followed by the panel B rectangle and both panel A triangles. This assembly is called the Gable End. This operation ideally should be carried out on as flat a surface as possible. Screw sizes are given in the full colour instruction book that accompanies every pen. Having assembled your Gable End panel, begin to attach the panel E side panels with the angle on the top running inwards as shown. There we are at the top of the panel E side panels with the angle sloping inwards. Continue attaching the panel E side panels and then your other assembled Gable End unit. It may seem a bit wobbly at the moment, but don't worry, as the rest of the structure is added, everything becomes more rigid. Putting the panel E side panels on the other side completes the lower structure of your protection pen. Next, and two sets of hands are really needed for this, screw on the first of the panel F side roof panels. See how the struts on these panels line up with the verticals of the side panels. When all the panel F roof panels are in place and secure, insert the panel G centre roof panels. Now, long legs or a pair of steps are useful, and yes, there have been many requests for Richard and James to come with the unit. Very sorry, girls. See how the roof, gable and the side panels all neatly fit together at the ends. Even without support braces, it's quite a rigid structure. Next come the braces. Push the pen into the correct shape to fit the braces. This will set the geometry of your protection pen. Take your time to get the braces right. They're very, very important. Now, as you can see, Richard and James fly around this protection pen, taking just a few moments to put it together. But we would expect an hour maybe for a 9x9 protection pen, and maybe 2 to 2.5 hours for the biggest 9x24 protection pens for a first-time builder. Handles are an optional extra on up to 9x15 pens, though this is a fair old lift. 9x9s and 9x12s are best with handles. They simply screw to the outside of the structure. Here come the boys. It's like a protection pen rickshaw. With the addition of Toby and Mark, movement is a doddle. That's better. Ladies and gentlemen, the Flyte's a Fancy Protection Pen.